Guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna be trying this new thing where I try to do some vlogs for you guys. I'm going to be showing you guys what I eat in a day when I don't feel like cooking, which is every day because I don't cook. I have a few errands to run today. I'm gonna be out and about like pretty much all day. That means I'm gonna be eating out all day. So I'm pretty much gonna show you guys like what I eat, like my food choices. But first I'm gonna start off my morning with some tea. Okay, so I changed. So I start off every morning with a nice herbal tea, and the tea that I've been drinking lately is Teami. And in the morning I drink the skinny tea. I literally just eyeball it. Like, so I'll do like that much. I'll add some honey. I always use local honey because it also helps with allergies. I mean, it's not allergy season right now, but I don't know. I'm the only one eating this, so I can do that. And then I'll add some hot water. I got this little like tea thing, whatever it's called. I got it from Home Goods or something like that. I can't remember. Probably like Home Goods or Ross. Oh shit. Oh. And I'll let that infuse for like a good 5 minutes before I drink it. So I love this container from Teami. If you're gonna purchase the tea, you might as well purchase this. It has like a little compartment at the bottom. So if you're like, you know, on the go, you can put some of your tea in here. And then it comes with this like little filter, and then you put your lid on so you don't get no like leaves in your mouth. This one time I sure did forget the filter. It wasn't fun. And I'm gonna take this with me. I gotta go to the bank. I gotta go to Trader Joe's. So I'm gonna take this with me. Probably gonna go grab a bite from like Dunkin' or something like that. And yeah, let's go. So I wanted to tell you guys a little bit more about Teami. It's so dark because I think it's supposed to rain. Let me take this jacket off. So I threw this jacket on because I'm going to Trader Joe's, and nearest Trader Joe's to me is like closest to like an area where like a lot of older people live, and I don't think they would appreciate my style. But like honestly, who gives a fuck? People always ask me what I got on. They be like, hey, yo, Brandon, what you got on? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. It's that split. That's that split.
Always asking me what I got on. They be like, hey Brandon, what you got on? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. This that split. That's that split right there.
Okay, no, but I wanted to tell you guys more about Teami. So I've been drinking this for, I would say, the past 2-3 weeks. I feel more energetic, and I think it's because Teami focuses more on like gut health. I always tell people this: your body can hold up to 10 pounds of shit. Get rid of it. Get fucking rid of it. I feel like Teami just helps move things along. I'm not saying like this one, the one that I take in the morning, it doesn't make me go to the bathroom or anything, like, you know. However, I do think it makes it easier to go to the bathroom when I do have to go to the bathroom. Like, a lot of people neglect their gut health. Like, if you're not going at least once a day, something's wrong. I know for some people it might be normal to go every other day based off of their diet or even like their work schedule, when they're able to eat, whatever. However, if you're not on a normal schedule when it comes to like your bowel movement, you need to reevaluate your gut health. I'm not even gonna lie, if you are a person who thinks it's normal for you to go every other day, but you have no energy, you're always tired, you always feel bloated, I would reevaluate your gut health. I would reevaluate the things you're putting into your body. I would reevaluate your fiber intake. And I would probably do a detox, no lies. So I'm doing this 30-day detox with Teami, and when I tell you guys, like, I've been feeling more free. You know, like in the morning when you're like most snatched in the morning, like your stomach is so flat, you're just less bloated in the morning. I know I am. I feel like Teami has been like helping me have that morning snatch even throughout the day. I'm gonna go grab a quick bite to eat. I'm gonna go grab a quick breakfast and show you guys what I typically gravitate towards as far as breakfast. I have to go to the bank and then maybe like Trader Joe's. Have y'all heard Ariana Grande's new song? It's a vibe. And Saweetie dropped a track like literally around the same time. It's a vibe.
Switching on positions for you. Consider yourself blessed. You got to fuck with the baddest. Straight in my own nigga, he was just me.
They were like a little rude in there, but whatever. I got a chai latte, but I forgot to get a milk substitute, so it ain't gonna be pretty tonight. And then I got a veggie egg sandwich. So I am pescatarian, so I don't eat like chicken, I don't eat beef, I only eat seafood. So crab legs, fish, shrimp, stuff like that. However, I still do eat eggs, so. So good. Oh, don't worry, I sanitized my hands before I started eating. So I'm in Trader Joe's and I don't know what kind of apples to pick. So I just got back from Trader Joe's. I was dressed like this and a lot of people stared at me, but I don't care. I'm gonna show you guys what I got before I put it away. A lot of these things are frozen, so I need to put them in the freezer really soon. So I got some honey. I was actually looking for more local honey because I'm running low, but they didn't have any. So I just got this organic unfiltered honey from girlies. I don't know, hopefully it's good. I got some bell peppers because I'm gonna make, I don't know what the name of the snack is, but it's like a TikTok snack. You put cream cheese and everything but the bagel seasoning on top. It's so good. And then I got some apples. I got some pomegranate seeds because I love pomegranate seeds. And I got some asparagus. I try my best to eat asparagus every single day. I don't know why, it's just a personal thing. But I heard it's like super rich in antioxidants. So yeah. I got some sweet potato chips. I freaking love sweet potato chips. I don't know why. I just love sweet potatoes. And I got some Trader Joe's dark chocolate because I watched Remy. I watch her vlogs. I don't know, I love her. But I love watching her vlogs. It's just super therapeutic for me. But I don't remember if this is the chocolate that she was like raving about. But I do know like she got it from Trader Joe's and she said it was super good. So I saw this and I was like, let me try it. Okay, so I got some sweet potato gnocchi. I freaking love Trader Joe's sweet potato gnocchi. Is so fucking good. Get in. Damn. So I got some mango cream bars. Yo, you gotta be careful with these because they're so fucking good. You're gonna eat all of it in one day. All right, and I got some Trader Joe's lemon bars. I got some oat milk. We don't drink cow milk around here. So for lunch, I'm gonna have a filet-o-fish from McDonald's. I don't get it any special kind of way. I just get a regular schmegular filet-o-fish. So I usually don't eat one of the buns. So you take off a bun, the top bun, scrape off some of that tartar sauce. And then you take this bun, peel it off, flip it upside down. And that's how I eat it. Less calories, less carbs. So that's my lunch. I'm gonna go study because I have an exam in the morning. And I'll be back if I have a snack or dinner. It's about 7 p.m. right now. I did some studying. For those of you who don't know, I am in nursing school now, so. I got a cream cheese roll from Publix for dinner. And I forgot to get chopsticks, so now I have to eat my sushi with a fork like a basic bitch. And then I got this calamari salad from Publix as well. I've actually never had calamari salad. I've had calamari, but not calamari salad. So I hope this is good. I'm also drinking my Teami colon cleanse. I drink this, my Teami colon cleanse, with hot water and honey every other night. I'm not gonna sit here and cap. You're gonna go to the bathroom. Like, this will make you go to the bathroom. This makes me go to the bathroom sometimes the same night, if not the next morning. But I like it because it helps empty everything out. This is how the box looks. It's a 30-day detox and it's a 2-part system. So the skinny tea, you drink it every morning. And then the colon cleanse, you drink it every night, every other night. Okay, let's try this calamari salad. Okay. There's ginger in here. There's some peppers. It's like sweet and savory. So I'm gonna finish my sushi and my calamari and my Teami colon tea, and I'll be right back. Usually on days like this, that's typically what I eat, but I fully suggest Teami. Like I mentioned before, like I've noticed that I've become less bloated, and I'm a pretty bloated person. Like I'm consistently bloated all the time. I've noticed I'm not as constipated anymore, and I have way more energy, which is amazing. I freaking love that tea. If you guys want information on how to purchase your Teami 30-day detox, I fully recommend it. I'm going to link down the website in my description box. You can also use my coupon code to get a percentage off. I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'm gonna shower and I'm gonna finish up my Teami. So if you guys enjoyed this vlog, even though it was kind of boring, make sure you like and comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We are finally monetized thanks to you guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and bye.